Hey guys, welcome to another episode of CLS at Home. Today we're going to learn how to make a grilled cheese. For this, you'll need 2 slices of bread, butter that you can spread, your favorite type of cheese, and a frying pan or a griddle that you can cook this on. Let's get started. First, you'll want to get your butter, and you want to lightly spread it on the bread. You don't need a lot, you just got to spread it lightly. The best way to do this is just a very light touch. As you can see, the butter is spreading, and you're going to want to do this on both sides. Alright, next, take as many or as little slices of cheese as you want. I personally like grilled cheese that is cheesy. So, remove anything if there's paper. So once you have done all that, you'll want to get to your griddle or frying pan. And you'll want to take 1 slice of bread and lay it butter side down. And this should be nice and hot. You might want to hear a little hiss. You'll want to put your cheese. And then you want to put bread side down because you're going to flip it, so you want that butter to hiss again. And then we wait. If your pan is on a medium heat, you're probably looking at 3 to 5 minutes, so I will see you then. Set timer 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, welcome back guys. Let's take a flip. Okay. Yep. So because the pan is hot, you might see it get a bit darker, but it gives that nice crispy feeling. For this side, I do 2 to 4 minutes. You'll sort of have to judge. You know your stove best. Set timer 2 to 4 minutes. Alright, it's been somewhere between 2 and 4 minutes. Let's take it off. Please use a spatula to get it off as it is hot. Okay. This is looking good. You have it nice and crisp. We have good melted cheese. Now I will want to cut into the bread. Oh yeah, let's take a look. Yep. Okay, this is turning out great. Now, let's have a taste test. That is perfect. So guys, this is how you make a grilled cheese. It's a great snack. It's a great dinner. I encourage you to go home and make it. Have a good one. Please like and subscribe.